1, 2, 3, yeah? Right?
All right.
So this is JBl Xtreme3 and it's the time to unbox it. Alright, so let me show you a review on how the speaker quality is. Okay, here comes the box which says security protected. You know, it's original. Alright, okay, and let's take a bit. Okay, so here we go. So here we go. This is the JBL speaker. They have a nice finishing. Okay, so there's a carrier for you to carry the box. It's easy for you to carry. Okay. The box is well protected, so when the box falls down, the speaker doesn't get damaged. Alright, so this is the speaker. Okay. This is the speaker, which says Xtreme3 here, and this bar helps the speaker to stand on a place properly, and here they have the JBL logo. Okay, we'll see what's inside the box. What else is inside? Okay, this is a straight case for you to carry the speaker around your neck when you go for a party, and this is an adapter which you can straight away charge the speakers, and this could be the cable. Yes, then this is the cable, a fast charging cable where you can charge the speakers. And let me show you the speaker quality now. Okay, let's connect the Bluetooth device first. Okay, here you find the JBl Xtreme3. Pair the speaker. The speaker is connected successfully. You know when you hear that sound. Let's find very good music. So this is this quality of the speaker. It's the best speaker you can get in the town, and when you listen to this from your original earphones, you will know how quality the speaker is. So don't worry, you can go for the JBl Xtreme3. It's a really good product. Thank you, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.